Hey guys, this is Varun and yes, I'm back after a long year gap and I will be off for 2 more years, so can't avoid that. This might be my only video between these long gaps. So guys, please, I'm sorry for all this, so I can't help. I have to go for my studies, can't leave that. Okay, let's leave that aside. Today we are here to discuss about increasing your internet speed up to 10 times thanks to Cloudflare's new DNS service. Without any further ado, let's get started. On April 1st, 2018, Cloudflare wrote an article in its blog announcing 1.1.1.1, the fastest privacy-first consumer DNS service. So they have given a lot of details in their website. Many of the people believed that it was an April Fool unless they tried it themselves. Those who wish to know more, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get into work. First, open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Right-click on the network adapter that you are using for the internet and click on Properties. And then double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Then use the following DNS server addresses. Here, type 1.1.1.1 alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1. I'll write them down on the description below if you are confusing with the values. Then validate settings upon exit and OK. Next, you need to modify the IPv6 protocol. Here also use the following DNS server addresses. Here the values are a bit confusing, so it's recommended for you to copy the DNS addresses from the description below and paste it here. This is the preferred DNS server ending with 1111 and the alternative DNS server ends with 1001. Paste them, validate settings upon exit, OK, and then OK. Now it will start a network diagnostics. Don't worry, it's common. And once if you have a good internet connection with this DNS, as you guys can see, troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. That means your internet connection is up and working. So to test that, you need to restart your browser and start browsing your favorite websites. If you guys are wondering how to configure this DNS on other platforms like Mac OS X or your router or on Android, anything else, here's it for you. Open your browser, head over to the DNS website 1.1.1.1, which will open up their website, and then click on install, which will then open this part of the page, and click on whichever device you are in or wish to configure and configure according to the steps mentioned there. For example, now it's showing the instructions for Windows. If I click on router, it will show the settings for router, and if I click on Mac OS, it will show for the Mac OS. Thank you guys for watching. For more cool stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you found this information helpful, please click the thumbs up. If you don't like it, no problem, drop a dislike so that I can improve my videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.